Hello friends, here in this video we will discuss about protocol writing, protocol during dissertations in undergraduate or postgraduate program. So now here first point is how to write the protocol. So what are the steps, what are the points we'll discuss it. So first point, what is the protocol? We need to understand. So protocol is the backbone that supports research in all steps of its executions. That's include under protocols. Now, once we know the protocols, then what are the protocol contents? What are the points? So in protocol content, we'll discuss from 1 to up to 13 points, that all the points plays important role during writing the protocol in research. So first point comes title of the protocol. So what will include in title? So title describes the key points of the studies, and then we'll write investigators. So investigators means those are going to begin the study. So investigators name, qualification, affiliation, and supervisor or advisor name, and for which degree you are writing the protocol, and year, and of course you must be write the email id. Then we need to write the introduction. In introductions, we must write identification of the problem area and background information and gap in knowledge, and why is it important to fill this gap. These points must be under introduction. Then we need to do review of literature. So in review of literatures, we need critical appraisal of the findings of others study, and the topic must include latest developments. So these points required in review of literatures. Then objective. So objective exactly is intended to be achieved by the research, and then we need to write hypothesis. So we must to write clear statement of what hypotheses are under test. Then important point of the protocol is methodology. So methodology start from inclusion and exclusion criteria for various groups, number of subjects required and included in each groups with justification, and method of selection of subjects in samples, and methods of allocation of subjects to different groups, and blinding and strategy needs to write to reduce the bias, and matching criteria with justification, assessment of compliance, definition of different variables which included for assessment, and identification of confounders and their control, and validity and reliability of devices which we are going to include in the study, and data collections and its feasibilities, and time frame. Of course, these are the points need to highlight in methodology parts. And then we have to write important point, ethics. So in ethics, list of ethical problems and how are they proposed to be resolved, including protocol deviations and, of course, safeguards for the participants. After that, we need to write statistical evaluations, means which methods used for various estimation to test various hypotheses, and of course we need to write internal validity and external generalization, how include in the results, and missing data, confounding and biases, all the points must be right to for evaluations. And after that, one of the important point, limitation of the studies. So limitations means conditions or groups to which the results would not apply. And then one of the important point is logistics of the study. So arrangement of resources, assignment of duties, sharing of responsibilities, and trainings. So this includes under the logistic points. Then we must understand reference. We must, whatever articles, studies we have included in the review of literatures, we must to write under reference parts, those cited in the text of the protocol, and possibly a bibliography or other literature on the topic that could be interest of the readers. We need to write in reference or bibliography, and then important points at the end of the protocol content is appendix. So appendix considers questionnaire like schedules or pro forma to be used, structure are open and pre-tested of the questionnaire, and consent form and letter of support which we are going to studies, means permissions if required in particular places. So these are the points which are very important for undergraduate and postgraduate students during the writing of the protocol.